chicken penne pasta in 30 minutes. This is one of my favorite weeknight meals. It's so easy to do.
This really is the perfect 30-minute weeknight meal, especially for those of you who love pasta. I am one of those people. First, you're going to add a 24-ounce jar of pasta sauce to a saucepan with some garlic and about 4 cloves of garlic that have been pressed and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And then I stir in 1 cup of cottage cheese. Adds just a little bit of extra protein and cheesiness. Then you're going to add 2 cups of cooked chicken that's been diced or shredded. You could also use rotisserie chicken, leftover chicken, anything that you like. So it kind of doctors up that jar of sauce and you don't even realize that it's from a jar, which is fantastic. And then just add some penne pasta that's been cooked. You can use any shape of pasta really that you like. I just happen to always have penne in my pantry. Mix that together until it's all hot, and then I add some mozzarella cheese because cheese is fantastic. We're gonna add about 2 cups of that in here and stir that in. It makes it nice and cheesy and delicious. Again, this is the perfect, easy weeknight meal. Make sure to taste it, salt and pepper it to taste. It's such an easy recipe and so good. Even the picky eaters like it.
See how just a few simple ingredients come together to make a super easy dinner that everyone likes. It's chicken and pasta. This is such a great recipe. You could even add some mozzarella cheese to make it all nice and cheesy. We love this recipe and I know you're gonna love it too. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for some easy dinner recipes.